Alright, so here's the boss again with more crazy stuff. Ooh, that was beautiful. That was amazing. Now, tell me, sir, how the hell are you gonna get out of there?
I don't know. By doing this, I guess.
Looks like you found your way out. Oh, how do you, like, glitch there? There's nothing there. You're all witnessing this live. There's absolutely nothing there. Can you get that side? No. There's absolutely nothing there, and you can't get out. And I'm sorry if these videos are kind of poor. I am using my phone. Yeah, I don't have any high-tech things like everyone else does. But that doesn't matter to me. So good. So funny. Alright, so I wonder if we can go up those mountains. I will see if we can go up those mountains in another video. Until then, have a nice day.